Hello and welcome to this meditation for cultivating presence. Find a comfortable seated or lying position and take a moment now to settle in. Make sure that you won't be disturbed and that you're warm and cozy enough to totally relax. As you create your space for meditation, feel your senses enlivening with the music. Have some cushions to support your body. Perhaps have an eye mask ready. I'll be back in a minute to get you. Let's begin with some gentle breaths. Just inhaling and exhaling with minimal effort. Breathing through your nose. Let the life force in each breath enter your body and mind, making you more deeply conscious of how it feels to be in your body right now. Continue to breathe with ease as I share the intentions of this meditation with you. The purpose of this meditation is to cultivate calm and easy presence, keeping you connected from moment to moment, to life, to love, to others, to yourself. I'll take you through a step-by-step approach where we'll edge closer and closer with each repetition to feeling this state of deep presence. This is essential training for your nervous system and your adrenals. A lot of our stress stems from us living in the past or in the future. That's not us right now because we're here together to connect with this moment as it happens. We're here to connect with now. There's no doubt that all of us go through deeply challenging life experiences. So whatever brought you here, know that you're looking after your nervous system. Know that you're preparing your body to be in the present. And I hope that this experience brings you some comfort and healing on your journey. This is also a wonderful self-connection practice for anybody looking to unwind and calm that restless spirit. In this meditation, we're going to do repetitions of a guided presence building practice here. Just listen in, let me take you through it, and really enjoy the state of presence when you're in it. And there's no judgment here. Sometimes your thoughts will creep in. That's okay. Sometimes you might need to readjust yourself physically. That's okay. There's no perfect way of practicing presence. Just doing it is perfect enough. So let's begin. In this moment right now, become present to your environment. Wherever you are, just feel it. Become deeply aware of the space and the sounds of nature, the sounds of birds, the sounds of your room, ticking of clocks, anything you can sense that gives you the feeling of being here in this moment. Just take a minute now and be present to that. Hello again. Let's do the next one. Now becoming present to the earth on which you sit or lie, sensing the imprint that your body is leaving on this earth. Becoming deeply aware of the weight of your body as it rests for this moment. Heaviness, the solidity, the earth element that is your body, and the power that sits in that earth beneath you. She will always be here to support and hold you. You can always rest on earth. Be present to that. Coming back now. Next, be present with your breath. Feel it enter and disperse within you. Keep breathing, becoming deeply aware of your connection to the space around you as you share this breath with the world. Feel your breath as an enlivening force moving into your body, gently awakening each cell in turn, sending life force into your tissues, bringing life into your body, your breath, your prana, the flow of life in you. Be present to that. And next, hello again. Now be present with your skin and the sensation of touch, becoming deeply aware of anything touching your skin, as well as the temperature around you, how that feels on your skin, and any sensations in your skin from top to toe. Relax into feeling into this most external layer of your physical body. Be present to it. And now, be present with your heart. Sense it, feel it, gently beating. Becoming deeply aware of any emotions you might have right now, how you're feeling inside, tuning in. What is happening in your emotional body right now? Whatever it is, be present to it. Let it be there and feel into it gently. For the next few moments, just practice being, just being, wherever you are, whatever you're sensing and feeling. What we're going to do is move into a practice of even deeper presence. And I'm going to step you down through the 5 steps. And then I'm going to ask you to just drop into presence. And that's when you're just being, just sensing, just being present, being there. Let's go. Open your senses to the space around you. Next, feel the solidity of the earth beneath you. Now become more aware of your breath and sense your skin. Tune in to how you're feeling. And with all of this awareness, drop into presence. Drop in. How does that feel? Shall we do it again? So we'll go through the steps one by one, and this time we're going to stay in that state of presence a little bit longer. First, open your senses to the space around you and feel the solidity of the earth beneath you. Becoming aware of your breath, sensing your skin, tuning in to your heart. And now, drop in. Just be present. Okay, so let's go through those steps again and then take an even longer dip into a state of presence. Open your senses to the space surrounding you, all the sounds, all the sensations. Now feel the solidity of the earth beneath you. Become aware of your breath, sensing your skin, and tuning in to how you're feeling. You ready? Go on. Drop into it. Drop in. Enjoy. Hello, you. Welcome back. It's nearly time to come back into the space. So smile, relax, and get ready to step out of this meditation feeling so deeply present in every moment of this day or night. Thank you for joining me in this experience. You can use this meditation anytime you want to just tune into your body to create ease and flow in your body, but in your mind and in your soul. And you can use this meditation to cultivate self-connection, self-loving, and self-healing. Anybody can practice presence. Just remember, your attention is a gift. Give it to the world. And the more you do this, the more kindness and beauty you'll be spreading to others. Walk this earth with grace and reverence, the beauty way. Shine your light in this world. Make it a better place. Aho. Peace and love to you. Take a deep breath. Wriggle your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Sahana Bhavatu, Sahana Punaktu, Sahaviryam Karavavahe, Tejasvinavaditamastu, Mavidvishavahe, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you for listening to this calming meditation. My name is Sulin, and I'm a naturopath herbalist and nutritionist based in Sydney, Australia. You can find out more about me at herbalwell.com.au, and you can find more meditations like this, as well as recipes from my healing kitchen. So go ahead and subscribe, and I wish you a really calm and relaxing day. Hope to connect with you soon. Bye for now.